Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project.
Recently we built a covered patio, made it out of rough cedar, really added shade feature to this backyard, formed it up, had the piers, and put these brackets in to hold up the rough sawn cedar posts, the rebar, and the plastics for the vapor barrier. We got it all formed up, never had to move the AC. The concrete truck shows up. It's too big to get in the backyard, so you can rent these Georgia buggies, and they just work great. He just runs back and forth from the concrete truck to the job site, dumps a little here and a little there, and they can put it wherever they want it, scoop it out. And after a couple of days, we're building, and it's almost built. Rough sawn cedar, tongue and groove on the ceiling. It'll be wired for electric. We'll have LED can lights and an outdoor ceiling fan. Here's some shots of how it all went together. We had rain coming, so we put a little plastic on the roof. Shower went by quickly, and we were back to work. You saw in the other picture, we sunk the brackets into the concrete. Here's how they fit on the post, and then we trimmed them, and we had 2 layers of trim to cover the bracket completely. Then the roofers came and roofed it to match the house, stained the concrete, stained the rough sawn cedar. They got their hot tub put back in, wired up for television, provided a lot of shade. And we regrassed. We made sure that the backyard drained well, put new grass everywhere. They mounted their television, outdoor ceiling fans. Looks like they've got it made in the shade. Off to the next project.
I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.